So last year at Synergy, when we introduced the Workspace, one of the big things that came out of there was folding in that world of SaaS applications and being able to provide these types of policies that you've done for decades, really, on virtual apps and desktops. Start doing that with your SaaS applications as well. So here's a quick reminder of what that looks like in action. Right? So in this scenario, this is the current Workspace. And we're going to launch a SaaS application. In this case, we're going to launch Salesforce. And if you watch closely, it's going to actually launch into a browser. It's a native browser embedded in the Workspace for which we have policy controls. We can set things like the watermarking in the background. Cut, copy, paste. The clipboard is disabled because we don't want information going out of Salesforce. And if they hit something like a URL like thepiratebay.org, somewhere we don't want people going, when it launches, we've got some URL filtering, right? We know that that's restricted. But there are other cases where the end user is going somewhere, hey, Instagram, for example, right? A lot of our employees today, they don't exist if every day isn't posted on Instagram. So we let them go to it. But we do it in a secured remote browser. You can tell by that little semicircle tab at the top of that browser window that that is a virtual session going into the Citrix cloud, running that browser off of your network and providing a secure experience. So there, in just a few seconds, you can see exactly what the Workspace does for security. Right? It gives the end user a seamless experience. They don't have to think about different ways of accessing different applications. We know who they are. We know what device they're using. We know why they're trying to get at some certain information. And we just make policy decisions. We react with security capabilities.